Freeze them overnight.
Hello.
Met her after a very long time.
Oops, my camera fell.
Supposed to be there by 10 o'clock and I woke up at 10:30.
Child marriage.
Ordered everything online on Big Basket. Snaps, it's actually showing me around 20 minutes.
My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it.
Hey guys, good morning. It's a Saturday, so this weekend is going to be a little busy because I'm meeting my friends today. Also, there is one of my friends' engagement happening tomorrow, so it's not going to be a normal chill weekend. So I thought I'll just vlog and take you guys through how my I wouldn't say a hectic weekend, but how my non-chill weekend would look like. So for breakfast I made bread and the eggs turned out to be soft boiled. I'm not really a fan of it, but I'm too lazy to cook it again. And along with that I'm also having some green tea and orange. Quickly finish my breakfast and then go to Cult. I have a dance fitness session with them at 10:30. Also, let me see if there's anything new that's released on Netflix. I'm actually watching this Korean drama called True Beauty, which is not as good as the other dramas that I've seen, but it's okay. I've started watching it, so let me finish it. I think I'll watch an episode of that. I'm back from the gym and I received this parcel from Dot & Key. I had ordered for some skincare. So let me just quickly show you everything. Sorry about my throat. Everything that I've got. So I actually ordered a lot of stuff because they had a buy two get two offer going on, and this is the third parcel out of the lot. Here we have ceramides and hyaluronic skin barrier repair plus face cream. This I'm going to use it in the morning before SPF. And then there is rice water probiotics hydrating toner. Then there is 72-hour hydrating gel plus probiotics. I'm going to use that one as my night routine. This glossy sleep mask, which is a small one. I think this is their new product and they're just giving it out for free on every order so that people use it and buy more. This is what the vitamin C glow mask looks like from inside. I told you that along with these I got two more parcels before. So in that I got 20% vitamin C face serum. Is consisting of blood orange and ferulic. So this is the first time I'm using 20% vitamin C. Previously I used to use 10%. And also amongst all the serums that I've used, this one is different because it comes with a separate activator and there is a serum. So you have to mix this into this and then use it. So this is going to be something interesting. And I'm a little scared also. What if 20% is too harsh on my skin? Along with that, I also ordered this 10% Niacinamide plus Cica Ultimate Spotless Glow Face Serum. And I also ordered Watermelon Superglow 10% Glycolic Renew Face Serum. So this is actually a PHA chemical exfoliator. So previously I used to use the one from Minimalist, AHA BHA, one, but this is the first time I'm actually using glycolic serum, so let's see if I'm going to like it. I know like it looks like a lot of products, but I'm not going to use each and everything on everyday basis, so this will be just once in a week for now till my skin gets used to it, but this I'm going to definitely use on everyday basis. Along with this, I also got Retinol Ceramide Sleep Treatment Cream. So this is the first time I'm actually using retinol. I've never put retinol on my skin, but I heard from a lot of people, even my dermatologist told me that retinol is really good for your skin, especially if you have marks like me, acne marks like me, which are like you want them to fade away, then retinol is your best friend. So in the beginning I'm just going to use this particular cream like once or twice in a week, and eventually let's see, because you're not supposed to use retinol a lot, and I have to go through the details also of how much percentage of retinol is there in this particular cream. So yeah, okay, now let me quickly shower because my friends are waiting and I need to go.
I'm done with washing my hair. I'm just letting my hair dry. Meanwhile, I am quickly making smoothie for lunch because I don't have time to cook anything and eat and go, because I have to get ready and leave in half an hour. So let me quickly share that recipe also with you. This recipe is very simple. So in my blending jar, 1/4 cup of rolled oats in my blending jar. Alright, so this is the rolled oats that I'm using currently. So lately I've stopped using normal cow milk. I've shifted into soya milk because it basically has more protein, and I feel like it's a little light on my system. I think my gut digests it easily. So I just use 1 full packet of Sofit sugar-free soya milk. Along with this, I usually have fruits. Apples are the constants, and now since strawberries are in season, I'm adding them as well. So I usually freeze them overnight in the freezer because I really like the texture and I like drinking my smoothie cold. So adding all the fruits in the smoothie. I quickly changed as well. This is what I'm wearing, just a basic black top and jeans. My SPF. So I'm quickly going to just accessorize a little. I'm wearing my watch as usual, and I'm wearing these 2 bracelets. I'm ready now. I'm quickly gonna leave. I'll see you all there. I just came to pick up a friend. I am waiting for her near her building. I'm waiting for her to come down. So once she's here, we'll be going to Third Wave Coffee Roasters, which is in Sakar Nagar.
Hello. Hi.
I met her after a very long time. After having coffee, I just went to her place. I met her son after like 2 years. I met her son actually for the first time. He's gonna be 2 soon.
Oops, my camera fell.
Yes. So I am just right now I'm just going to Simply Namdari's because it's close by, and I have to get some fruits. I'll just get some fruits, and after that I'm going to this place called Candles. I always wanted to go there for dinner like since a long time, so I'm just going there for dinner with few of my friends. and yeah, I'll take you all with me.
Okay guys, I'm back home. It was such a beautiful place. You guys must definitely visit, especially during the weekend, because they have some really good live performances. I couldn't record everything. I've put a little glimpse of that, but it's really nice. The food is also very good, and the view, don't even get me started. So tomorrow is actually one of my childhood friends engagement, so I'm just prepping my skin for that. So I'm using this face mask sheet by Nykaa Skin Secrets. It's cucumber aloe vera for toned and hydrated skin, which my skin wants. I don't know what's with Bangalore weather now. My skin is getting extremely dry. I don't know why. So yes, hydration is all that I need right now. So I'm gonna leave this on for some time and then get some good sleep for tomorrow. So yes, good night.
Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. I actually overslept last night and I woke up really late. I was supposed to be there by 10 o'clock and I woke up at 10:30. It's around 11:40 right now. I hope the ring ceremony is not done. I'm already late, not we. So let's just quickly get there.
ದಿನಾಂಕ 26/4/2023 ಬುಧವಾರ ಸಂಜೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ನಡೆದು ದಿನಾಂಕ 27/4/2023 ಗುರುವಾರ ಸೂರ್ಯೋದಯವಾದ ನಂತರ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 10:20ರಿಂದ 11:20 ಸಲ್ಲುವ ಶುಭ ಮಿಥುನ ಲಗ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ
I just got back home, and yesterday I was saying that I need to go grocery shopping. Since I didn't have time, I just ordered everything online on Big Basket. So let me quickly change and then organize all of this in the fridge.
It's around 5:30 now. I thought I'm going to just sit and binge watch that Korean series the whole day, but I completely forgot that there was actually my senior's wedding that's happening today. So today is the reception, so I have to go there as well. I think now I'll just get ready.
Alright, so I'm almost done getting ready. I am not going to put a lot of jewelry. It's just this bangle, and I have to find one small earring. Probably I'll wear this. I've tried to keep my makeup very simple because the sari that I'm wearing is quite grand. So I just want to let this sari talk, and I don't want to put too much makeup and stuff. So yes, I am little in a rush. I'll show you my outfit once I reach the venue. So bye, I'll see you there. This bangle is not going well because there's a bit of gold here and this is completely white. I think I'm going to stick with this one. Yeah, this is simple and nice and elegant.
And as usual, we are in Bangalore and stuck in traffic.
Yeah, so let's see by what time we'll reach.
Stopped by to get some bouquet.
So this is the one that I got. It's already 8 o'clock now. Let's quickly go and reach the venue. It's in the maps, it's actually showing me around 20 minutes. Let's see. I hope there's no traffic.
This is what I was wearing. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.